Kanina napag-usapan po natin yung mga tradisyon nating mga Pinoy tuwing All Souls Day. Ngayon naman ay aalamin po natin kung ano ba yung mga dapat tandaan sa Feng Shui Dayan sa pagdiriwang din ng All Souls Day.
Kailangan rin nga palang i-consider yan. Ano? At alamin natin yung relevance yan sa pag-celebrate po natin o paggunitaan itong undas. At makakasama po natin kaugnay niyan si Ms. Ara Manalili, isang Feng Shui consultant. Magandang umaga and welcome to Rise and Shine.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Morning.
Napakasaya dahil syempre it's always a celebration, you know? Despite of our loved ones, it doesn't mean they passed away already. Their memory and their love still remains.
Correct.
Yeah, that's why katatapos lang ng All Saints Day, yesterday, dahil pagdadasal. Kaya sinabay nila yung November 2 for All Souls Day para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagdadasal towards our loved ones.
Parang celebration of life, ano? Pag-alala sa naging magandang iniwan ng mga
Yes.
namayapa nating mga kaanak. Pero gayon pa man, kung All Souls Day po ay nagsimula sa mga pagano, then naging tradisyon na rin ng mga Kristiyano, ano pong connection nito sa Feng Shui na isang tradisyon naman sa Chinese culture?
The Feng Shui is in the Chinese culture, sobrang taas ng kanilang respeto sa mga ancestors.
Okay.
That's why they have to protect how they bury their loved ones. Na dapat their head is facing pointing to the east, rising sun. Okay? It means the energy is always rising. All right? So hindi pwedeng sa west kasi sundown. So it's always about energy. Kaya lahat sila nakaulo sa east. Same thing with the Jerusalem also. They just close the east area, east wing eh. Ang nanatili na lang yung west wall. Kasi doon naniniwala na yung rising of whoever na Messiah, di ba? Pero it's respect. You know, when we pray for our ancestor, kasi they're closest to God. That's why kailangan maayos yung libing. And then, sabi nga, anong klase? May mga burial for buo yung katawan, right? And then, nakakremate. So, ano yung pinagkaiba? Sa Chinese, merong buo, meron din nakakremate. The higher the level that you are put in, sabihin you're closest to the heaven. Kaya minsan, yung respeto mas mataas eh. Kasi kahit wala na sila, they're still our guides.
Oo. Naisip ko lang, naririnig ko rin ito eh. I don't know if related ito sa Feng Shui. Yung daw mga parang magagandang ginawa ng mga ninuno mo, parang may tinatawag na good karma na
Yes.
babalik sa'yo.
Yes.
Tapos kung hindi naman maganda, parang affected ka rin. Tama ba to, Ms. Ara?
Actually, there is karma, right? The karma means action. And then we have the Akashic records. It's like downloading already. Mamanahin talaga natin. We have to cut that connection through being spiritual, prayerful. That's why what she said is like pagano and then it suddenly become a Christian dahil mabago na yung paniniwala natin. Tumataas na yung spiritual energy.
Ayun.
May connection pala, no? Pero, Miss Ara, meron bang pagsasaalang-alang sa Feng Shui patungkol naman doon sa mga simbolo, elemento, yung mga kulay na nakaayon sa spiritual, nakahalagahan ng
Yes.
araw ng mga kaluluwa?
Yeah. For example, if we visit our loved ones, we have to wear white.
Okay.
Okay, white is symbol of healing and purity and love. Kasi pag black, you can easily absorb.
Negative energy.
Kasi you're
okay,
open.
white dapat.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, sa iba naman, black, like Japanese or some culture or mga ibang bansa, they wear black, pero makikita mo madilim eh. Dapat, when someone passed away, we have to be brighter.
Eh, kasi sa ibang kultura, pinagbabawal yung kunyari, yung bright colors, mga blue, yellow. Kasi masaya daw eh.
Minsan request daw kasi nung namatay bago siya
Oo, pero when we die, we live again eh. Hindi naman tayo nawala eh. That is our best thing that we could do. We have to be good. Diba? Nananatili yung good things that you have given. Like our lolo, ganito, ganyan. We have to celebrate and keep on reminiscing the memory.
Oo. Eh, yung mga kulay ng kandila, kailangan ba maging particular din
Yeah,
dyan, Ms. Ara?
white is the best talaga. And then purple is the sign of the color of God kasi. Highest subconscious yan eh. Kaya nga yung rainbow purple, dalawa kasi yung purple, kaya it's on top. Sa mga simbahan, di ba? Kapag yung sa Easter, di ba? There are purples on the wall, simbahan. Kasi it's a sign of God. Black, no. Kasi you can easily absorb all the negative energy.
Kaya hindi rin tayo nagbablock dito sa morning show eh. Lagi tayong
That's
mga
why you
bright
look
colors
good, di ba?
eh.
It brightens the day. It means we have to live fully. And life is so short, di ba?
Kanina napag-usapan natin yung atang, yung pag-offer ng food.
Pagkain.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tsaka, di ba nilalagay rin siya normally sa mga altar? May particular bang lokasyon dapat din itong mga altar sa
Okay.
bahay?
Minsan kasi, yung mga ibang walang alam, naggagawa lang sila ng sarili nila, di ba? Minsan, in the dining table, and then the picture of the, you know,
Bakit? Anong relevance pag
Wait,
ganon?
wala silang alam eh.
Okay.
Sabi ko, you have to put your loved one in a nice wall to tribute, di ba? And then, syempre, sabi nila, pag may fruits, it's like a beginning, fruitful, productivity. Kaya naglalagay ng fruits and then candles. Yeah. Like the, di ba, ghost month, di ba, naglalagay ng fruits. Kasi, bumababa yung mga spirits, and then, yun yung parang gathering nila, they still remember us, even though they don't eat it.
Okay, so sa ating mga Kristiyano, naglalagay nga ng atang, ganun din ba sa Chinese
Yes,
culture?
same.
Meron din sa mga altar na
Same,
pagkain?
same.
Oh,
Very,
meron din.
very disciplined, very respectful. Like in India, they have their own separate wall of altars of their ancestral.
Okay, Miss Ara, paano naman yung behavior? Ano bang dapat na kinikilos natin para hindi tayo magkaroon ng negative energy tuwing All Souls Day o ganitong panahon?
The also Day is a reunion eh.
Family
Gathering of
get
families.
together.
No? And then we have to let go. We have to forgive. Kasi people has passed away already. Kung ano man yung hindi, di ba, hindi natin nagawa, we will regret for the rest of our life eh. But as long we live, we have to be thankful na hanggang dito tayo, gawin na lang natin yung tama.
Yun, magandang advice yun. May mga ilang ka pa bang mga recommendations, Miss Ara, yung tungkol sa mga tamang pag-celebrate, mga traditions din natin?
Yeah,
na
actually, the
related din sa
flowers is
puso?
very important, di ba?
Okay.
So, when we go to the cemetery, kanya-kanyang flowers.
Oo.
No? It feels like they still live. Hindi dahil nawala na sila. And then, yung mga gamit nila, sometimes, hino-hoard pa. Di ba?
Okay.
Kasi naiiwan yung energy eh.
Oo.
Sa bahay, like the kama, the bedsheet, you have to let go.
Okay.
Kasi that's already yin. Negative energy na yun. Minsan they passed away, they have illness, afflicted. And then the room is already congested, exhausted na. And then when you enter, parang pati ikaw, nahahawa na.
Nararamdaman mo,
Yeah.
no?
And then parang bakit ganon? And then you don't know, part of your life, yung pala, yung someone who passed away, nasa wealth area mo pala yun.
Oh,
And then
okay.
all of a sudden, you don't know, it's harming your success and wealth.
Okay.
And damay-damay na. That's why, usually, ba, bakit parang lahat ng bahay nagkakasakit? Then lahat-lahat nawawala. Kasi merong feng shui direction na dapat ang ancestral or ang patriarch nasa northwest, that is daddy or lolo, dapat wala doon.
Oh, sige. Ang lesson dito, huwag tayong bumili ng second hand na mga appliances.
It's true. It's true. Kasi
Even yung mga antique.
Yeah, like
Eh,
Japan, di ba?
May mga nagko-collect ng mga antique eh. Antique na mga cabinet,
they collect,
piano.
but they don't stay in the house.
Oh, may ibang separate na.
They have it's in the store, in a shop.
Aha.
It's okay. But you have to protect, you have to bless also the place.
Paano ito, Miss Ara? Minsan kasi yung mga alahas, narinig ito yung galing ito
No.
sa namayapa kong lola.
Lorillo, mga ganun,
No,
pamana.
no, no.
Pamana.
Let it stay lang doon.
Ah.
Yung
Kasi the
pamanang damit.
energy, kasi there's a vibration and frequency eh.
Hindi ba pwedeng ipa-cleanse ng mga ganyan? Or...
I think if the lola is very good and very powerful, why not? That's why the royalty, di ba? They have this inheritance. If you don't know, the people, we are like Filipino eh. We have to make a, di ba? I like your shirt, you give it. Pero no. No.
Kasi naipapasa mo rin yung
Yes,
energy.
you're giving back your powerful energy, positive energy, and all of a sudden that person is
Pwede lang kapag yung energy nung unang nagmamay-ari nun positive
Yes.
at very
Powerful,
strong.
yes.
Okay.
Uy, very interesting yung
Galing,
ating mga
ah.
lalo na,
natutunan.
lalo na the shoes ha. Don't give shoes kasi your partner will run away from you. Watch. Don't if you get some watches, it's running, time is running out.
Ay, ganun.
You have to give a token, like a coin.
Very interesting yung mga ibinahagi sa atin, ano, ni Miss Ara.
But we have to
Manalili.
celebrate life.
Oo, tama ka doon, Miss Ara. We
Yeah.
have to celebrate life. At iba-iba din talaga yung mga paniniwala, pero for sure ay marami po kayong makakagamit ng mga tips at recommendations mula po kay Miss Ara ngayong umaga.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Ara,
Salamat.
sa
Thank you po.
pagbisita sa amin ngayong umaga.
Thanks, Miss Ara.
Thank you.
Okay, mga ka-RSP, sa punto pong ito, silipin naman natin ang isang Halloween party na punong-puno ng kakyutan at creativity. Panoorin po natin ito.